Imit na lang. Baliktad pa. Ultra. Hi guys! Welcome back to my world.
Sure. You gonna say something? Welcome to the vlog.
Oh!
Dali na. Ina nga, karoon lang ka naabot or whatever. Sige na.
Ano ang Tagalog?
In English, God. Ina, I just arrived.
Oh, dapat. This is the...
Oh, si Drake.
Again na.
Sige na. Sabi mo ko eh. Start. Mix, I'm gonna go and
Hi.
That one lang, ha?
So I will unbox this. I think I know what it is, but yeah.
Ulo.
Expect disappointment so we can never be disappointed. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it. It just arrived.
This is something.
What should I say? Oh yeah, I almost missed my flight
How are you?
from Dubai to here. Like my second flight. I met someone from TikTok.
Oh,
'Cause-
TikTok?
Yeah, because I posted a TikTok video in the Mactan airport, and she commented like, ano, this is really random, but were you at the business class check-in at Emirates? I was like, yeah, I was there. Are we on the same flight? We messaged each other and turns out we were on the same plane. We were already texting when we were already in the plane. So, yeah.
Hoy! Nalagdan mo yan.
Oh my gosh, wait!
Ay, there's it! There's it!
Go on. I don't wanna see that. I don't wanna pay.
You're gonna pay half.
No. Is it green?
No! Is that green? Why? You don't like green? It's matchy with your nails.
Yeah, I said white.
You don't have white.
Is this Romax?
Hindi, hindi.
How do I open this? Scissors?
Where's the scissors? Diba you have here for your...
Where's the camera? This one or this one? Oh, okay.
What's the... How to open it? Hulo, hulo.
Look at my nails first.
And your phone.
Yan.
Crazy.
Oh my gosh, is this real?
It's a fake.
It's so big.
big?
Yeah, this big. I don't have a phone case.
Huh?
Nangarapan phone case.
Wala yung screen
Oh my
protector.
gosh, what is this?
You
Ah,
don't
for
have
the
free
SIM.
charger, yeah? You need the, what's that? Only the cable.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna... Oh,
Is the wireless charger expensive?
I don't
Di ba ano
know.
magandang siya?
I don't know.
Ta-da! Hello?
Hello, text me.
Hello? Yeah, we'll just meet outside. Oh, you're picking me up at 7?
Piggy. Oh, ba? Naman. Wait.
Oh, it's real.
Ito na, ano na
Hello?
kasi nagtag ka eh.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm free.
So, where country are you in?
Should I put Philippines?
Should I put? Oh, I don't know. What you gonna put there? Philippines or UK? Country.
Does it matter?
Philippines.
Okay.
Show them how to use it.
Yeah.
Unboxing, yeah? You're
I actually don't know how. I'm just. Okay, English. Yeah, continue. Wi-Fi, ma.
Where's the Wi-Fi password?
Okay, you can do that
So,
later.
do you have Wi-Fi password?
Oh yeah, I have to connect.
Ano?
Wi-Fi password.
Kita na yung tools.
And then the Osmo?
No, it's not the Osmo.
Which one? Sky? DMO? DMO?
BM, I think. Where is that? BMO40.
Yeah. What's that password?
Password is W3.
All caps, no?
No. HT.
HT.
Then capital B.
Hmm.
TZ.
Easy. Capital?
No. Only ang B ang capital. TZ. H.
H.
B.
E.
MT.
Okay. Hello.
What? See now, what is that? Is that
I
one?
don't know. So this is the box. And it comes with this. I think this is for the SIM card. Like the pin something.
Yeah.
The needle. And that's it. And this is the charger. What's this? This is not for. It's just like.
Or then you need the plug one.
Yeah. It's different. It's not USB. Like the.
What's that?
I don't know.
So what is the
It's different. It's like this. How do I charge it?
Same as ours, isn't it? The C-charger, isn't it?
You have some there, charger.
Yeah. Okay.
Then
It's
say
so
that in every
big.
episode.
Hmm?
Then you're gonna go short.
Ta-da!
Hello?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Wait, not
We
yet.
done? Not yet.
Yeah, it's
Set
okay.
up na.
It's okay.
What you gonna say na? We're gonna end your vlog na.
That's it.
That's it.
I got a phone as a welcome gift, I guess.
As an iPhone.
This is a gift. I'm saying this on the video. This is a gift. I'm not paying.
Nothing.
This is a gift. You're all witnesses.
Witnesses.
Like, my
Pay
mom
half.
or Yeah, so they gave this to me
What's that?
as a
What
gift.
phone is that?
It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Ta-da! It matches my nails.
No. Okay, finish na. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.